Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to set up a Google Authenticator. The first, I want to apologize, it's not a screen recorded video because Google Authenticator blocks out screen recordings for privacy and security. So what we're going to do is first launch up Google Authenticator, choose our email account. So I'll choose this one right here. And now once we're in, okay, what we need to do is go to the app on your phone where you want to set up Google Authenticator. So let's say on this TikTok account. So I'll come here, click on my profile, the bottom right, click here on the top right on these three horizontal lines. Basically, I want to access settings. Okay, so we'll go to settings and privacy. So whatever account it is, go here to security and permissions, and then click on a two-step verification. We are going to come here and choose Authenticator. Okay, we can go ahead and turn these off. Let's use Authenticator. Sometimes you'll have to turn on one more. So I'll choose this one in Authenticator. Click on it, turn on right there. And now this is our key for the Authenticator. We can easily go ahead and sign in, okay, by scanning the code. So we'll come back to the Authenticator app. Click here on the plus icon, click on scan a QR code, and here we go. We are going to scan that, and as you can see, we have set it up. So that is our TikTok, and it's really that easy and simple.